This Berkshire Hathaway Home Services RW Towne Realty property video is presented by Erica Midget. Welcome to the stunning like new, 3-story townhome in the desirable FOST community of Moyock. Built in 2023 and meticulously maintained, this home offers the perfect blend of modern design, functionality, and low-maintenance living. The ground level features a half-bath, French doors into a flex space great for home office or optional 4th bedroom, plus access to the attached rear entry garage. On the main level, a living area flows seamlessly into a modern kitchen featuring large island, abundant cabinet space, pantry, and matching stainless steel appliances. The top floor hosts 3 bedrooms including a spacious primary suite complete with tray ceiling, generous walk-in closet, and an upgraded ensuite bath west/glass door shower. A convenient upstairs laundry area adds to the home's thoughtful layout. Additional highlights include attached garage with EV charger near community playground and to-be-built community pool. Located in a growing community with easy access to the VA line, this home won't last. May 4, 2026 for more information.